I've made a batch of 10 of these ashtrays, 3D printed out of TPU and PETG. So this one is a little bit flexible. It's probably not going to last more than a year, but it's pretty. It'd be great for a party. My idea is that you could buy the whole set of these. This is one that's PETG. This one's totally hard and rigid, won't bend at all. I have other ones with different slicer settings. That this one's the TPU, but it's really sturdy, a lot more sturdy than the other one. I can barely bend it. You can hear it's a little more or less rigid than the other one. A lot of them are all TPU. This one's pretty beautiful, I think. This is my best one so far. It's a combination of the TPU and the PETG. The PETG is on the bottom. It won't bend because the bottom's rigid, and then it has this beautiful translucent green, and then the highlighted black perimeter there. This is a fun 3D printing artifact. I had a mess up on this one where my color layer, I had an accident and kind of bent my extruder mount, and so the whole white layer is a little bit off on this one. This one's also printed with higher strength settings than my original one of the same color scheme. Here's one that's completely PETG. This one has a couple little issues, little problems with holes. It's got some holes in it. It's hard to tell unless you look really close, but looks pretty good. Looks pretty good from far away, I'd say. And I'm thinking these would be just great for a party or a wedding where you just need ashtrays on every one of the tables. I'm selling 10 of these, hopefully for $100. And they're one of a kind. I designed them. I added the pot leaves to them. This is a pretty nice looking one. Got the black and the green. And the last one here is, this one has a different setting here where it's kind of like a star. Oh wait, no. You can see this cross-shaped pattern in the infill there. The other one, oh, I'm not sure if I showed these. Yeah, this is the one that has kind of a star pattern in the infill. But I think this would be a great addition to a wedding in Colorado or Michigan or California or Washington or wherever we can smoke weed freely. And a lot of times at weddings they let the guests take home the centerpiece, and this could be one of the centerpieces. So hopefully you will support my business and buy 10 of these attractive ashtrays for $100. Thanks.